Good morning, students. I am Chellakannan. Welcome to 9th Social class. My best wishes to you all. Today, let us study about the spheres of Earth, structure of Earth. The Earth is a unique planet of the solar family. The Earth is composed of four spheres, namely the lithosphere, the atmosphere, the hydrosphere, and the biosphere. This lesson focuses on the internal process of the Earth. Spheres of Earth. Earth's surface is a vast area of 510 million square kilometers where four spheres of the Earth interact. Structure of the Earth. The structure of the Earth interior is divided into three layers, namely crust, the mantle, and core. Crust. Crust is the outer layers of the earth where we live. It is the skin of our earth, which range between 5 to 30 kilometers. Mantle. The interior part beneath of crust is called mantle, which is about 2,900 kilometers thick. The major elements of the mantle of silica and magnesium, and hence is also termed as sima. This molten rock inside of the earth is magma core. The core is the innermost of hottest layer of the earth which lies below the mantle is composed mainly nickel and iron. Hence is called knife. This go through the video. We will meet in next class. Thank you, students.
Understanding the Earth's structure. The Earth's structure consists of three parts: the crust, the mantle, and the core. The structure is similar to that of an egg. Its crust is like the shell, its mantle is like the egg white, and the core is like the yolk. The crust is found beneath mountain ranges and oceans. Its thickness ranges from 40 kilometers under mountains and only 8 kilometers under oceans. Part of the Earth's mantle is made up of rocks so hot that it is liquid or molten. The mantle is measured at 2,900 kilometers of thickness. This molten rock seeps through cracks in the crust and pours out of volcanoes in the form of lava. When the lava cools down, it turns to rocks and stones. The Earth's core is mostly made up of iron. The core is divided into two parts, the inner core and the outer core. Scientists strongly feel that the inner core is solid while the outer core is in a liquid state. An estimate of the core's temperature ranges from 4,000 to 6,000 degrees Celsius. Scientists understand the composition of the Earth better by studying seismic waves. Seismic waves are vibrations that spread out from the epicenter of earthquakes. Project. What kind of rocks are found in the mantle? The oceanic crust is made up of two primary metals. Name them. Apart from using seismic waves to identify the structure of the Earth, what other techniques are used to do the same?
I'm sure that you all have seen the picture of our planet Earth. Although it looks like one large structure, it has many different features. Now if we take the entire land surface on the Earth and club it together, we get a separate sphere called lithosphere. Similarly, the air surrounding our Earth's surface can be taken as one sphere called atmosphere. The bluish part on our globe, which indicates the water surface, it would form another sphere called hydrosphere. And also, the various life forms on the earth like plants, animals, microorganisms, and we humans are part of another sphere called biosphere. When these four spheres combine, It gives us the entire large sphere, which is our planet Earth.